Hey, two birds and two bats. It's me, Alex. How are you? Today I'm going to be making guacamole. So please follow me on my channel. Thank you for over 800 subs. Now I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. Okay, and I have all the ingredients here, so I'm going to be making it for you now. So please watch me. So guacamole is basically like this. I got the avocados here, so I'm going to be making it now. So you need 2 avocados, and what you have to do is I have to open it, and then when I open it, I'm gonna be putting it over here like this, okay? And then once I open the avocado, I have to smash it and mix all the ingredients, okay? Okay, so hold on, just give me a second. Okay, just hold on, guys. Okay, I have to prepare now. So I'm gonna be opening up the avocado now. Okay, first I have to wash this because it's a little bit dusty, so just let me wash this, okay? And I have to wash this because I just got it, so you can use this for like somtam and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna make the avocado first. Just let me wash this very gently here. Okay, and then once I finish washing it, just to get the dust particles off and stuff like that, okay? Okay. So I finished cleaning it now. I'm going to turn off the water. And I'm just going to move this out of the way so it can be out of your way, okay? Okay, so I finished with that. Okay, so you need the smasher, whatever it's called. They have small, medium, and large. I got the medium size. So this is the avocado. It's ripe. I'm going to be opening it now. And this is how you make guacamole. Okay, so it's ready to go. And what I have to do is now I have to take it out. So I get a spoon, and I'm going to show you how to make guacamole, okay? Okay, so this is what you do. You put the spoon in here, and you just put it in here. And then once you put it in here, you have to put it in there like that. And then once you have that all in there, you have to, just give me a second here. Let me open up another one. Oh, okay, there it goes. Okay, I'm going to open up another one here. Okay. Okay, so 2 avocados are in there now. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to, open the other avocado because I'm using 2 avocados. Because one is going to be for tortilla chips, the other one's going to be for tacos. Okay. So there you go. I just opened up 1 avocado here. And then you just put it in the smasher here. Like I said, you can use this for somtam. Okay. And then this is the second one here. Okay. And there's my guacamole right there. So I'm just going to be smashing it here. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'll try to make it as long as possible. So, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to put the ingredients in there. So for guacamole, I have the lemon here. So I'm using for the avocados, the brand is called Sika. This is Sika brand, you see? I don't know if you can see that. It's called Sika brand. Okay, New Zealand has. Okay. And for this one, I'm using the Bon Veggie. It's called the organic vegetable. So that's the brand name right there. It's called Bon Veggie, okay? And it comes in pack of 5. It's called Bon Veggie Organic. Okay. And you can look them up. So I'm just going to get 1 lemon here. Open it up. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to put here's the coriander. This is also called like parsley, or you can call it like cilantro, right? So this is the cilantro right here. This is the cheap version. It's 25 baht, and this one is this is the best thing that I can get next to cilantro. Oh, okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I gotta get a couple out here. So I'm gonna put this on. Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess I can take out maybe one. Let's see, one is good enough. I think one is good enough. Okay, and I have to cut it. So I have to cut it into little small pieces, you see. Because you have to make it very, well, I had better wash it. Let me wash it first. Because if I don't wash it, it's gonna be dirty. So let me wash it first. Okay. Always wash your fruits and vegetables, okay? Okay. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna cut it into small pieces, and that's gonna give it flavor. So just cut it into small pieces like that. I don't think you have to use the root. Don't put the root in there, so I'm not putting the root in there, okay? And you just cut that into small pieces like that. Okay, okay. Okay, now that I have that, the cilantro there, here's the lemon. Now for the lemon, you have to put the whole thing in there. So I'm gonna put one in there, and then I got the tomatoes here. So I got my everything here. I got my tomatoes, my onions, and my feta cheese in here. Okay. Oh, and the garlic. I need garlic. So this is the garlic I'm using. It's also called Bon Veggie Organic Vegetables. Okay. So this is 39 baht. This is like $1. So I'm gonna get one garlic because you need garlic in your guac. And I'm gonna cut up the garlic now. The garlic is gonna be all cut up. I'll just put one garlic. That's fine. Now I haven't cooked in a while, so one of my friends on YT told me that they want me to do more cooking videos, so that's why I'm doing this cooking video for you. So, oh my god, okay. Because I haven't done it in a while. Usually I go to the restaurant, but I'll just make it at home. So, okay, so here's the garlic. So I have to cut it in very small pieces, okay? Now this one, I don't have to use the root, so I can take the root out. I don't have to use that. You see, this is like the root. I don't have to use that, so just put it out for now. And then just use the garlic, okay? Okay. And basically the garlic, it's gonna give it flavor. It's gonna give it, you know, what it needs to be, okay? So now that I have that, I'm gonna just be smashing it in there, and hopefully that would be enough. Okay. Okay. So now that we got the garlic here, we got this here, we got the lime here, we put it all in there now, and we're gonna smash it in there, okay? So I like opening up the lime like this. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to get the whole flavor of the lime. So I have to open up the lime like this, okay? Ah, oh, shoot. It's already jizzing out now. Hold on. Let me cut it. Hold on. 2 person, 2 bets. Ah. Yeah, see, you got to be careful when you do it. But I like opening it up and really getting into it because you want to make sure that you use all of the flavors associated with the lime. Because the lime is going to give it flavors, and you want to make sure that you use all of those flavors. Okay. Okay, so I'm just taking out the lime now. Just give me a second. 2 birds and 2 bets. Hold on. This is taking a while, so just give me a second here. Okay, I'm just trying to take out the shell here because I don't need to use the shell. Okay, I took out the shell already. Okay, now I'm gonna get this one here. Now this first clip, I'm gonna try to do guacamole first, and then I'll do tacos for the next clip, okay? because it's good to cook at home. It's good to cook food, and you just wanna. It's healthy, you know. Because I went to this one restaurant and there was this lady. She was like sweating in the food, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do this by myself. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just getting the lime now. So I'm gonna be. I'm doing, like I said, I'm doing the guacamole first because I have to put it in the refrigerator so I can get it nice and cold. Okay. Okay, now I got all my ingredients. Now let me get the onion here. I need to get the onion and tomato. You need onion and tomato because it's very, very important. Okay. So here's the tomato. I'm gonna cut it up into small pieces. Hold on. I'll use 2 slices of tomato. Hopefully that should be enough. I don't know. And then I'll use 2 of these smaller tomatoes here, so I can give it some more flavor. Okay. And then I'll get out this. Okay. Let me open this because right now I'm making it, and it's gonna take me a little bit of a while. But once I get all the ingredients together, I'm gonna be smashing it. So like I said, I got this smasher, and now I'm just gonna put it all in here. So I have to see the tomatoes, the onions here. The onions are here. Don't forget the onions. It's very, very important. You need onions in your guac. Okay. So I just get out 2 pieces of onions here. Okay. And I just mix it all together. I mix it all together. And that should be enough. That should be enough, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put it all together now. I'm going to put it in here. And that's about it. So mix it all together. And that's your homemade guac. Now that I got all this in here, I have to smash it. So I only have a few more minutes left. Let me just smash it all in now. So now I just smash it like that, you see? Now I count to 100, okay? Make sure it's all like mixed and mashed in there for you. Now for this guacamole, I'm using these chips here. So before I can put it on my taco, and I can use these tortilla chips here. So this is called tortilla chips. It's natural flavor from Home Fresh Mart. Okay. So you can get this as well. Okay. And that's about it for guacamole, guys. That's about it. Just make sure you get a nice smash and mix it all together. And that's your homemade guac. Now I'm gonna be stopping this video at like the 15-minute mark, and what I'm gonna be doing is in about another minute that I'm gonna be making the beef tacos. I'm gonna be making carne asada. So carne asada is the beef tacos that I'm gonna be making. Okay. So as you can see, you get a nice mix and match with the garlic, with the tomatoes in here. And you get a nice, pretty much everything, pretty much. So. Okay. And that's about it. That's homemade guacamole. I'm gonna be showing you now before I stop the video. And that's how it looks like in the inside. Homemade guac. Original recipe from the ages. From thousands of years ago. So that's how they made homemade guac. Okay guys, now I'm going to be stopping it and I'm going to be making the beef steak carne asada tacos. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for joining me on today's channel. And hopefully I can provide you with more interesting content. I have to bend down a little bit over here. Bye bye. Thank you for joining me on today's episode. I hope I can provide more interesting cooking videos for you. Bye bye.